Hi guys, Tony Elite Car Security. Just going to do a little demo on this Mercedes Sprinter with the CAN Immo. So you get an emergency override card in the pack, spare battery. We also give you the screwdriver for the tag, free leather case. So with this tag the vehicle will just start. So let me just show you that. So foot on the clutch, automatically get the indication light, vehicle starts and runs. So very convenient to have the tag. Also you can pair your phone. If I switch it off, now if I hide the tag, okay, tag is now hidden away. So if I try and start the vehicle, completely immobilised. So I've just reset that, ignition back on. So now using buttons around the network, we must enter our code. If you watch the side lights, I'll just enter the customer's demo code. Get a green light flash there, the side lights. That means that we're disarmed. Foot in the clutch, vehicle now starts. As soon as you switch it off, when we open the driver's door, double flash of the indication to let us know that it's rearmed. So it's a no pin code or a no tag, no start. You can decide. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call. Tony Elite Car Security, 0333 012 902.
Sinon,